Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, how is everyone doing today? We'll be making today dum ke kebab, or you can call meatloafs. We're going to be making Indian version of meatloafs. So we will be making meatloafs. You can make it in the oven. You can bake it in the oven, or you can make it in the pan, because a lot of countries, a lot of people don't have the oven. So I'm going to show you how to make it in the pan on the top of the stove. We can even do that, and you can make it for the parties. It's very good dish, and also you can use it for yourself. Make it and keep it in the refrigerator, so you can eat with the parathas or naan, serve with the lemon wedges and chopped onions and cilantro and mint, and it's very good with that too. And also you can take it for the lunches, so it's very good for the lunch. You can take it for lunch whenever you're going for the somewhere for the work or something. This is very good lunch. You can even slice it and put it in the bread. You can eat in the bread too. So okay, let's go see all the ingredients what we needed to make this meatloafs. Okay, dum ke kebab. Okay friends, to make dum ke kebab, I have 2 pounds of ground meat. You can take either beef or you can take mutton. Either way you can make this kebab. I don't know, I never made with the chicken, so if you want you can try it, but I never did it. And I have like a half a cup of yogurt. And for the green masalas, I have few green chilies, green pepper, and I have some chopped, I think I have like a 5 or 6 garlic cloves. I chopped that. And also I have like a 1-inch ginger piece. I chopped that, and some cilantro and some mint leaves. Okay, we're gonna grind all this and make a masala, green masala. And I have 1 egg to bind that. And also we have some dry spices over here. Salt to taste, and red pepper 1 spoon, Kashmiri red pepper 1 spoon, and garam masala half a spoon, and black pepper half a spoon, turmeric half a spoon, and dhania powder 1 spoon. Okay, this is all goes in here. Okay, we're gonna remove all these corners of the bread like this. Just remove it. I'm using a whole wheat bread, that's why we eat at my house. So if you have the white bread, you can use it. Just dip it in the water, soak it in the water. The last one. Okay, then we're gonna add this yogurt in there, and 1 egg. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and grind this, all the spices, and mix it in there. Okay, let me go ahead and grind this, then I'm gonna show you the rest of the stuff. Okay, I grinded all the masalas, green masalas. You can put it in there, everything. And then what we will do is take this bread, squeeze all the water from here as much as you can. Put it in there. Okay, now everything is done. So just mix it real good, everything together. Sorry guys, I forgot to give you the ingredients. Fried onions. I have some fried onions. You can just smash them with your hands like this and add it to the meat. Okay, now mixing time. Just mix everything properly and put it in the pan. I am showing on the pan because a lot of people don't have the ovens like how we have over here in a lot of different countries. They're using my recipes, they don't have the oven, so I'm gonna show it to you how to make it on the pan. Okay, we're not gonna bake it in the oven, but if you have the oven, bake it in the oven. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter or ghee or oil, something in there, just a little bit. Okay, not too much, just a little bit. So a little bit of oil. Okay, okay, it's ready to go on the stove. Okay guys, I mix it real good. I'm going to leave it for half an hour to marinate. If you want, you can leave it in overnight. If you have the parties, you're going to have a lot of work, so you can do this and leave it in overnight. And before people comes to the house, like a 15-20 minutes before, you can put in the oven and bake it for half an hour to 45 minutes until that get the golden color on top of it. Okay, brownish color. Okay, let's go ahead and put on the stove. Wait for 30 minutes, then we are gonna cook it on the stove. Okay guys, now time to cook our kebabs. So I put like 2 spoons of butter. We're gonna spread this butter in there. So if you want, you can put the oil or ghee, whatever. But I put a little bit of butter in there. Now I'm gonna lower the temperature in there and just put the whole meat in there. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. That's heavy. Ouch. Bismillah. Okay. We're gonna cook like a cake. Okay, we're gonna cook one side for 20 minutes, another side is 20 minutes. Okay, we will cook in 40 minutes, then we're gonna cover it for a little while and cook for a few minutes. So okay, if you're baking in the oven, just put it in any pan and just bake it on 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. It will bake. Okay, we will wait for this to cook now. Okay guys, it's been cooking for 15 minutes. Just a little bit release the water because of yogurt. If you have the Greek yogurt, put the Greek yogurt. I didn't have the Greek yogurt, but or you can hang your yogurt before you put it. You can strain all the water from there, so it will cook faster. So I think I'm gonna wait for 5 more minutes. Then I'm gonna flip it. Okay. Okay guys, it's cooked one side, so we're gonna flip it. I have a plate over here. I'm gonna put this plate on it, and then I'm gonna flip it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, we'll put it back and cook another side. Okay, we're gonna cook for a few more minutes, about 10 minutes this side, so it'll be ready. Okay guys, it's ready. It's released the oil from the other side too. So I'm gonna show you how to serve this. Okay friends, our yummy dum ke kebab is ready. You can call it meatloaf, Indian meatloaf, but it's Indian dum ke kebab. Okay, see you next video. Hopefully you're gonna like this video, and please watch all my videos, and don't forget to subscribe if you're visiting my channel for first time, and please share with your friends. Okay, and please click like. I deserve one like. I work hard. Okay, thank you. Bye. See you next video.